I just got back from an estate sale and found a bunch of great things, including lots of vintage clothing. So I'm going to explain how we utilize the custom SKU, also known as custom labeling, on eBay. Hi everybody, my name is Melissa and I'm a full-time reseller on eBay. We've had some requests to explain how we organize our inventory. We utilize something called the SKU system on eBay, and I actually had to look it up because I didn't really know what SKU stood for. It is a term that's used in retail that actually stands for stock keeping unit. If your eBay business is growing and you're looking to get organized, we're going to show you how we did it and teach you how to use the custom SKU system in eBay, because it's really a great system. It helped us to get organized, and I'm sure that it'll help you as well. Hunger.
I brought you a snack because I know we're going to be out of the house for a little while.
We're about 2 minutes from the storage unit. So right now we're bringing over some inventory that I've already taken pictures of and listed, and we're going to catalog it and put everything away. We've also got some items to pull that sold in the last day. Going to do a really quick overview of how we organize things. Right here in this front shelf here, we've got shoes. We don't have too many shoes right now, so we just line them up on the shelves so they're easy to find. The rest of the stuff on these two racks are mostly things that we have yet to catalog. They're mostly recent things that were recently listed. So over on this side, we have all of the hard goods. They're in bins labeled with numbers. We have a bin of Christmas stuff up here, so we know if it's Christmas and it doesn't have an SKU, it's going to be in that bin. We've got books here in the middle. This is a project that we realize that we're at the point where we've acquired so many books that we need to get more specific, because we've got piles of books and a few boxes of books. So one of these days we're just going to do an overhaul, and we'll do like B1, B2, B3, so we'll know that they're books. And over here we've got our clothes. The clothes are almost all clothes. The clothes are in these banker boxes labeled with letters. So I also brought over this box of clothing that I've photographed and listed in the last day or so. And I'm gonna show you how I put everything away and organize it and utilize the SKU system in the eBay app. What I first do is I find a bin that has a lot of space in it. So my little cheat is sometimes I stick my hand in here and see if there's space at the top. This has a little bit of space, so I'm just gonna start with box E. And I'm going to put these Levi 550 jeans that I had just listed in the box. Okay, so I've placed the jeans in box letter E, and now this brings us to the listing. I already have the photos all done. Got the title. And we go into item specifics. So scroll all the way down through item specifics to the bottom. And the very last field is custom SKU. So I enter E. Done. Done. And I'm going to close it because in this case, I actually have a few more fields to fill out, so I'm not quite done with this listing. Okay, so now we're going to move on. I actually have 2 pair of the same shorts in the exact same condition. They're both brand new with tags, same size, perfect condition. I'm going to add these 2 to that same box. And this is a listing that I actually completed yesterday. Wait, sorry. Oh, I'm getting nervous on my camera. And I'm going to go into my active listings, and I'm going to scroll down till I find it. It's this one. So I'm going to go into revise item, because everything in this listing is complete except that it doesn't have an SKU number. So I've got my photos, I've got my title, go into item specifics, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and enter E, and click revise it. The wheel spins and spins and spins and spins, and then we're done. I'd say this box is pretty full. I don't want to overstuff them. I mean, sometimes I do, but not today. I'm going to put it back in. And this one, I believe, has quite a bit of room in it. That's great. When you're first setting up your store, a great idea is to start with an empty box. And as you photograph and list each item, put that item in the box and assign that box an SKU number or letter right from the start. So that's what we did when we first started. But we have limited space, so now really what we are left having to do is just fill in clothes so that we keep each box full and we're utilizing the space most efficiently. So next I've got these vintage Levi 550 jean shorts. And that'll about finish the box. And here they are right up top because I just listed them. And I click item specifics, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click Custom SKU, and I'm going to enter FF. I'm going to double check that I actually entered the right letters and that autocorrect doesn't take over, and click done, done, done. Scroll all the way down and revise. And see, now you can see in this active listing, the price is $49.99. It's got 1 watcher, 1 view, good till canceled, yada yada, custom label, FF. As we scroll, we can see that everything is in a custom label. So custom label, I don't know why on eBay it says custom label here and SKU in the field, but they're interchangeable. Custom label and SKU are the same thing. So these Columbia pants are in FF. This Injustice League, this t-shirt is an E. This little hat is an S. These shorts are in FF. These jeans are in W, and you get the picture. When we get a sale, I come over, it takes me like 5 minutes, and I know exactly where I've got to go to pull those items. We try to keep on top of things and get everything in there. As you can see, we do have quite a few things on deck. We don't always have the time. But even so, if I recently listed it and it doesn't have an SKU, I know it's either going to be in here or in here if it's clothing, or in here. And that's not too much to look through. All right. So thanks for coming along. I hope you found this useful. Feel free to ask us any questions if anything comes up for you while watching. Just shoot us a question in the comments and we'll get back to you. And we'll see you next time. You gotta go. You gotta go. Go on. Thank you. Bye. Hi everybody. My name is Melissa and I'm a full-time reseller on eBay. My partner Kelly and I have been
Tripper. I thought you were going to say my partner Tripper and I
have been in business.
He has such a discerning eye, man. He can just like find those like awesome treasures.
Yeah, he likes cat figurines, kitten t-shirts, vintage toys.
Vintage toys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
Mm-hmm.